Shooter ready. Stand by. One, 350.
Nice job.
For revenge.
Dude. Two 882. Unload and show clear. Clear, slide forward, hammer down, and holster. Give me a nod when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay, shooter ready. Stand by.
Oh shit, I missed all of them?
Yeah. You got one hit.
I can't tell where that's... Oh dang, this is way high. So this is gonna be...
We haven't got any pros yet.
A lot of cons though.
Yeah, okay. 3734
3-7-3-4.
and 4 steel misses.
Full student.
Dude, this sight is...
Off. Way off.
Oh, God saying don't make fun of me.
Stand by.
Come on. Oh. Oh, and there goes the...
Your sight went out?
Oh, I'm not gonna have enough bullets to go, am I? Nope. Oh, hello. Come on. I have a... That's good. Oh no! Wait!
Nope.
I got one.
You got a few in here.
This is gonna be horrible on camera.
Okay, 5968. If you're finished on loop, show clear, clear, slide forward, hammer down, and holster. Well, not holster, but bag her up.